Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Yoast SEO for affiliate posts and sitemap setup step by step clearly. To install Yoast SEO for affiliate posts and sitemap setup, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type Yoast SEO. Once you find the Yoast SEO plugin, click on the Install Now button. After installation, click on the Activate button to enable the plugin. Once activated, a new menu item titled SEO will appear on your dashboard. Click on the SEO menu item to open the Yoast SEO dashboard. To configure the plugin, select General from the drop-down menu under SEO. Follow the configuration wizard by clicking on the Configuration Wizard button. Answer the questions about your website to set up your preferences. Once you finish the wizard, navigate to the Search Appearance tab. In the Search Appearance settings, adjust the settings for your content types. Ensure your affiliate posts are set to show in search results if desired. Next, head to the Sitemaps tab within the SEO menu. Here, you can enable and customize your XML sitemap settings. Yoast SEO automatically generates a sitemap for you. Take note of the sitemap URL, which is usually found under the General tab. To add your new sitemap to Google Search Console, log into your Search Console account. Select the website you want to add the sitemap for. In the left menu, click on Sitemaps. Paste your sitemap URL into the provided. Create or edit your affiliate post using the WordPress editor. Scroll down to the Yoast SEO meta box below your post content. Fill in the SEO title and meta description for better search visibility. Optimize your content based on the suggestions provided by Yoast SEO. Once everything looks good, publish or update your post. Now your affiliate post is optimized with Yoast SEO and included in your sitemap. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Yoast SEO and set up your sitemap. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.